Hello, hello, hello. Is it alright, guys? I've got a wee gift today to do some unboxing here. This is a wee box from our bro Spike. He sent me over some gifts. Let's see what is in the box today, folks. Thanks very much for this, Spike, bro. I'll say we hello to everybody, all the subs and anyone that's new. Hello and welcome to the channel. What have we got here? It says, "Hi bro, thought I'd put in one of my first carvings, done with a knife and a drill bit. This is the elder wood. The grain when it's wet is crazy, so create something wicked, bro. Big love from Spike." Thanks very much, bro. Well, guys, let's see what is in the box. Oh, this must be the wee gift from our bro Spike. Whoa! Holy shit! Throw that rubbish away there. Check this out, guys. Holy shit, bro! How'd you do them wee nuts? Awesome, bro. That is wicked, bro. Wicked. Thanks very much, Art, bro. Really appreciate that, mate. Look at that there, guys. Isn't that class? Cheers, bro. Thank you. Set him down here. See what else is in the box today. Oh, check this out, guys. Lovely silver birch from our bro Spike. Check out the spelting in that. That's a nice bit of wood, guys, isn't it? I can already see. Yeah. I can already see what I'm going to do with this one, bro. So, there's one for carving today, guys. Thanks very much, Spike, bro. All good. Now, what is in the box? What is in the box, guys? Let's see, this must be the elder. I've never carved elder before, guys, so I'm looking forward to this. Holy shit. I'm gonna check that out, guys. Awesome, bro. Awesome, bro. Check out that grain, guys. Happy days. Thank you, Spike. This to the wee collection here, bro. Let's see what's happening. Oh ho, oh ho ho, oh ho ho. What is this, guys? What is this, guys? A kutzall 1/8 flame bar from a bro Spike. Thank you very much, Spike, bro. Really appreciate that, mate. I'm probably going to use this bad boy today here, mate. Do a wee carving on this one. What do you reckon, guys? Thanks very much, Spike, bro. Awesome. Check that out, guys. Thank you very much, Spike, bro. Let's clear this up and see what is in here. There we go. Get this wee box out of here, guys. I think this is another big whack out elder wood. I'm gonna call it welder wood there. Get her open, that. Oh yes, guys, look at that. Look at that. That rubbish away. Here we go. That's 2 big whacks of elder. Holy shit, guys, look at the grain in that. Awesome, bro. Awesome. Thanks very much, Art, bro. There's 2 magical bits of elder there, guys. Lovely wee bit of spalted silver birch. Check that out, guys. Isn't that awesome? Thank you, Spike, bro. Seriously, thanks for the old kutzall, bro. Like I said, I've been trying to get that for a while, so every time I go on that Amazon, they're out of stock. And unfortunately, I'm not paying fucking 50 quid to get it delivered from America, so all good, guys. Thank you very much, bro. Really appreciate that. Check out that for a wee parcel, guys. And a wee special gift from our bro Spike. All good. Check out the detail on that, guys. That's awesome, Spike. I've never done a skull yet, bro. Should maybe try and do one soon, bro. That's unreal, the detail in that, mate. That's lovely, especially the wee nut. Love the symbols, bro. Love the grain in it too, mate. It sounded up really good. Awesome. So there we go, guys. That is my wee unboxing video from my wee box of gifts from my bro Spike. And I say a big special thank you, bro. Really appreciate that, mate. Wee carving's awesome. Looking forward to getting at this elder. Lovely silver birch there too, guys. And then the old kutzall 1/8 flame bar. Awesome. Yeah, thank you very much, bro. I know what I'll be doing today, mate. Getting to carving. So hopefully everybody has a good day. Everybody's staying creative. Just keep on keeping up the carving, guys. There we go. Hope you all have a good day now, guys. I'm gonna go and get some carving done here. And again, big thank you to Spike. Thank you to anyone who's new to the channel. And thank you to all you guys who have been here with me from the start and continue to keep joining in. Really appreciate all the support, guys. There we go. That is awesome. Thanks very much, our bro. Sure, get a chat with you soon. Everybody stay creative.